Health is wealth. 80% of your health depends on you. 80%. Why people are getting sick, that is what you need to understand. The reason compared to 40-50 years back, now more and more people are falling sick because of toxin which we are eating, drinking, inhaling, and stress and medicine, and imbalance which is created, that is through nutritional imbalance, immune system, the hormonal as well as pH. So these two are the main causes of sickness, and what DXN has done is got this Ganoderma, which is the product which is detoxifying the body as well as balancing the body. DXN has very intelligently put this Ganoderma in our day-to-day product, like our personal care, toothpaste, soap, shampoo, body foam, one. Number two, beverages, that whatever you are drinking, tea, hot chocolate or coffee, or cosmetics.